Assembly Magic. How do you? What do you think about that? Be honest.
I reckon it's a good idea.
Do you like those guys?
Yeah.
Have you seen their numbers?
No. I know they're not quite as high as ours, but it's high profit,
Yeah,
from what I understand. Yeah.
it's quite phenomenal. There was a record broken by Merv's second van. So not the business, not the franchisee.
Oh
He did a $9,000 week flat pack assembly.
No way.
Yeah.
Was he charging out by the hour to do that, or?
I think it was a kitchen build or a wardrobe or something.
Yeah.
Phenomenal, hey.
So you didn't have to do a ridiculous amount of hours, like 80 or 90 hours to do it.
No. They're charging, around that $110 an hour. That doesn't make sense. They're selling the solution, not an hourly rate, like us.
Right, so they're doing a job by job.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. I'm going to pause the video, bring the camera closer so the workers can walk around the back of the camera.
Yeah.
Okay, well, thank you for your time, Jason. Well, as always, it's great to catch up with you. Episode number 1 of franchisee interviews for the Magic Podcast channel. Anything else you want to say?
No, I think you've covered it, mate. Done a good job.
Okay,
Cool.
thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers.